Well, hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here in the Highlands of Scotland, not too far from the world-famous Loch Ness and the capital of the Highlands, Inverness. I'm actually at my favourite brewery in the Highlands, the Black Isle Brewing Company. So stick around for the rest of the video and see how these guys make great beer and ale. But for now, we've got some window cleaning to do, so let's do that. So the Black Isle Brewing Co. is more than just a brewery, it's also a farm, and they do everything organic on this farm. So I'm being really careful with the solutions, cleaning products that I'm using here. I'm actually using an environmentally friendly product on the windows, which is made completely of plant products. So just making sure that there's no toxins going into the ground on this farm. So let's do this window next. Hello, how you doing? Yeah, good. Yeah, not bad. So, this is the visitors entrance and the shop, and I would recommend coming here if you're up in the Highlands, in the Black Isle area. We've got some great beers, excellent ales. One of my favourites is the Scotch ale. So very friendly people as well. And you're very welcome to come and visit them anytime and try out their great products. So we've just got the front of the building to clean now, and we're nearly finished.
Hi there, we're Black Isle Brewery. We're based just north of Inverness on our organic farm. We make a big range of organic beer and yeah, free tours and free tastings for anyone that wants to come out anytime, or else we've got a bar with wood-fired pizzas on Church Street in Inverness. But yeah, hopefully see you out here. Thanks very much.
Well, thanks again for tuning in to this episode of the 4x4 Window Cleaner here at the Black Isle Brewing Company, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.